Welcome back. You're watching Lights, Camera, Cricket. I am Sushant Mehta. Now, just like Kings 11 Punjab, Delhi Capitals too are eyeing their first maiden IPL trophy. None other than Shreyas Iyer is captaining Delhi Capitals. Now, let's get you an exclusive interview with Shreyas Iyer.
Shreyas, it's a very different one. You sitting in Dubai, me in India. Digitally we are talking to each other. हम digitally बात कर रहे हैं. बहुत दिन से हम लोग ये करना चाहते थे, but finally we get to talk, and more importantly IPL भी हो रहा है और आप captaincy भी कर रहे हो. So पहला impressions going into the IPL, so much at stake for Shreyas Iyer the player और Shreyas Iyer captain. सब सोच के आपको like just going into the tournament मुझे बताओ.
Firstly, मैं start करूँगा हमारे lockdown period से, because we didn't know what was coming ahead. And when we got the news that IPL is going to happen, I was really excited myself. And then after that, we had the dates. और जब हमें पता चला कि IPL दुबई में होने वाला है, तो we were more excited because यहाँ पर थोड़े cases भी कम हैं और एक तरीके का हमें bubble में भी रहना पड़ रहा है, but थोड़ा सा मतलब इधर का weather conditions और हम लोग को थोड़ा बाहर भी जाने मिल रहा है, बाहर इन द सेंस होटल में ही, बट एक बबल में रहना पड़ता है. In a way, the practice and everything is going on very good, and I'm really excited, looking forward for this competition, and hopefully it turns out to be a very good one for us.
Shreyas, अगर मैं सीधा captaincy के बात करूं, I mean 2018 onwards, the way you have evolved last year and this year, I mean international cricket में अगर मैं देखूं आपका career जैसे रहा है, which has been solid. I mean 1 year of fantastic performances. Does that help in Shreyas Iyer the captain? For example, Parth Jindal was telling me that the way you took over and the way you have matured, they are absolutely delighted. And tell me about you, the captain, you, the leader. Does your international performances वो क्या आपको help कर रहा है?
Yes, definitely, because the performance that you carry from your international team to IPL, it empowers you to play an important role in the team, and also, you've got that self-belief when you come with a good run. And also, I personally feel that I've been, working a lot on my temperament lately, and that has really worked and helped me in being consistent. And also, I personally feel I've worked a lot on my fitness, my diet, because the number of matches that we play, it's too much over the season. And also, you need to be taking care of all these small aspects as a cricketer. And I personally feel that keeping all these things on point, it has really helped me grow as a player and also made me mature in terms of my decision making.
Shreyas, talk to me about the bubble a little bit. I mean, quite a few of the players have been on record saying the 6 days were very difficult. Obviously, you're in quarantine, not meeting anyone, but then practice happened. So 2 questions. पहला question ये वो bubble आपने कैसे deal किया? Team meetings, did you guys do it on Zoom or how did you all do it? And second, आप जब ground में finally उतरे, Shreyas Iyer where he belongs, the first sound of the ball on the bat, describe that sensation to me.
So the first one, obviously the 6 days, I really felt as if it was 30 days over here, because when I was in Mumbai, I was going out, I was gymming, I was actually going up and down to my friend's place because he had his own gym. So, I felt as if I was out there. But coming back here, getting back into 6 days quarantine, luckily I've got a good room, good space in the room. So I tried to use the maximum opportunity I could get inside the room and train. So I had this 24 kgs dumbbell in my room, and I was like training almost every day, doing yoga sessions. So that way I was keeping myself busy. And what was the second one?
Second one was, when आप finally ground में उतरे and the ball hitting the bat. I mean, the first practice session. Oh, and the smile tells me a lot.
That was seriously, the best feeling of my life. That is the only thing that we keep waiting for as a cricketer, and I was really waiting for this opportunity to go on the field. और मुझे वो बैट का साउंड और ऐसा फील करना था कि मैं कितने अभी तक मैं टच में हूँ या नहीं. बट वो फर्स्ट सेशन में ही ऐसा लगा कि आई एम इन सुपर टच. ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि आई वाज कंप्लीटली अवे फ्रॉम क्रिकेट. तो
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.